Once Paramahansa Yogananda goes to meet Ramana Maharshi. Ramana Maharshi was silent, but his aura was telling everything to Paramahansa Yogananda. Yogananda asked Ramana Maharshi that if God is so strong, God can do anything, why he is giving suffering? Why is giving suffering? Ramana Maharshi said, who is suffering? He said, I am suffering. What is the I? And as Ramana Maharshi said, what is the I? Then Yogananda realized that what Maharshi is trying to say, what Maharshi is trying to tell, that in suffering, the ego is suffering, the body is suffering, the psychology is suffering, our story is suffering. Not a real me is suffering. The self is untouched. It never suffers. And Ramana Maharshi said, it is the only way. The suffering is the only way through which you goes near to the God. I am telling you the ultimate, in a summarized form, that why God is giving suffering. And Ramana Maharshi said to Yogananda, who is suffering? Find out. And as we know, Yogananda was also a great saint, and he realized that what Ramana Maharshi is pointing. The ego is always suffering, because ego is your story, is your past, who is trying to be permanent, who is trying to, remain. But the world is changing, life is changing. And as the life changes, as a new event comes, the ego, which is the old story, try to resist it. And when it try to resist it, there is a conflict between the ego and what is happening. So there is always the conflict, always the duality between the what is and what happened. Your ego is what happened, your memory, what you gathered, what is programmed, conditioned in you. So this is not you. This is the information you gathered from here and there. So we never suffers, because we are the awareness, we are the consciousness. The only suffering which happens to our mind and the body. And the mind and the body, and just telling what Ramana Maharshi said, the mind and body, it is destined that they will get the reactions. It is destined. But it has nothing to do with the spirituality, because the real awareness is beyond all these things. The Atman, your soul, is beyond all these things. It never suffers. Ramana Maharshi is pointing to that I. That's why Yogananda said in a book, even you read, Autobiography of a Yogi, in which he said even that inquire, who am I? Who am I actually? What is the I? From where this I coming? I is just a reflection of your real I. This I is a story. It's verbalization. It is labeled. It is words. It is emerging from your real source. What is your real source? Your Atman, yourself, which is ever free, ever untouched, and is always complete. If you are interested in spirituality and meditation, I can help you. I have a spirituality course for you of comprised of 24 videos: meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, together one guided meditation videos. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, and giving this number in description too. You can join this course from there. It is the ultimate course. I can tell you, no knowledge you need after hearing this course. Thank you very much.